This video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications that claim to be Chrome update alerts. The pop-up is Performintenselylatesttheproduct.vip. So this is a long name of the website. It displays pretty faulty messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. So this is obviously a fake Chrome update alert, and you should not trust its deceptive messages. In case these fake Chrome update was installed into your Google Chrome, it actually means that the browser got hijacked. It got hijacked by browser hijacking extensions, or some other types of these extensions may work as adware that would show advertisements not associated with the sites that people visit. Anyway, you ought to be very careful not to install any of such fake Chrome updates. Even if they were installed by mistake, access the menu, go to More Tools, then Extensions. So now you need to disable and remove any third-party extensions if you find them. Some of these extensions are pretty severe, and they may block your access to the settings of your Chrome, as you can now clearly see. We recommend you to remove any malware and to remove such stubborn extensions from your Google Chrome with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com, using this green download button. Download the software, install it, and start researching your system with its help.